In this video, we are going to be looking at our second Latin tense, which is the imperfect tense. Welcome back to this channel. This is Latin with Mrs. Gearing, which is me. So your tense here is your imperfect, your voice is active, and your mood is indicative. If any of these terms are unfamiliar to you, then click on the link coming up now. So we translate the imperfect tense as I was doing something, or you were doing something, so was or were ing, or used to do. It's a continuous action in the past, an ongoing action in the past. So I was carrying, you were carrying, or I used to carry. You form the imperfect tense by using your present stem, so just like the present tense, your linking vowel, which is different depending on your conjugation, ba, and your basic person endings. When I was taught Latin, I was always told to think of your imperfect sheep going ba. So that is how I will always remember it. If you need a reminder of your basic person endings, then click on the link coming up now. So this is an overview of all your different conjugations. They all form the same. It is just keeping an eye out for that linking vowel. So in your first conjugation, you have that A the whole way through. So porta bam, porta bas, porta bat, porta bamus, porta batis, porta bant. One of the easiest ways to learn this, rather than just thinking out BA plus your basic person endings, is to learn it as bam, bas, bat, bamus, batis, bant. And then just remember your linking vowels. In your second conjugation, I was warning, you were warning, he was warning. So mone with an E the whole way through. Mone bam, mone bas, mone bat, mone bamus, mone batis, mone bant. The same linking vowel in the third conjugation. I was ruling, you were ruling, he was ruling. Reggae bam, reggae bas, reggae bat. Then we were ruling, reggae bamus, you were ruling, reggae batis, and they were ruling, reggae bant. For your fourth and your mixed conjugations, you have your IE the whole way through. So I was hearing and I was capturing. Audie bam, audie bas, audie bat. Audie bamus, audie batis, audie bant. And capie bam, capie bas, capie bat. Capie bamus, capie batis, capie bant. So you can see your whole way through, you always have that bam, bas, bat, bamus, batis, bant on the end of your present stem and your linking vowel. And it translates as was, wereing, or used to. So let's have a look at some examples. As always, I would recommend pausing the video here, having a go, letting me know in the comments below how you do and if you've got any questions. Your vocabulary is on the screen here, so you can use your different conjugations here to practice. So mone bas would be you singular were warning. And its second conjugations, you have that E as your linking vowel. Scribe bamus. Third conjugation, so you keep that E. Bamus, we were writing. Lauda bam. First conjugations, you have an A. Laudo meaning I praise, so I was praising. And all of these again could be used to. So you used to warn, we used to write, I used to praise. Just depending on what makes the most sense in your sentence. Audie bant, i.e. in your fourth conjugation there, audio meaning to hear. They were hearing. Tene batis, tene are your second conjugation verb, so with that E, and batis, you plural, were holding. Capie bat, mixed conjugation, so i.e., he, she, or it was capturing. Duke bam, that E in your third conjugation, means I was leading. Facie bamus, that i.e. in your mixed, means we were doing, or we were making. Fugie bas, you're mixed again, so i.e. you singular were fleeing. If it was effugie bas, you would be escaping. If you had an E on the beginning, it means to escape, not just to flee. And mane band, with that E for your second conjugation, means they were staying. As a note, in general, your imperfect tense is used a lot more in Latin than we would necessarily use it in English, so you can often get away with translating it as a kind of simple past, a perfect tense. So you could sometimes get away with saying, you warned, we wrote, I praised, etc. But when you're learning Latin, it's much better to go with the were or was or used to-ing, because it shows that you know that it is the imperfect tense. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Latin videos coming soon. Thank you.